Hi, in this video we'll explore how to start game development effectively. So stick around until the end. The foremost element is the idea, which is the most critical aspect, even more so than the game engine. This encompasses both the story and gameplay of your project. Realistically, players are not primarily concerned with the engine you use. What really matters is that they enjoy the experience. A complex game can be created with minimalist elements, even something as simple as 2 pixels, while marketing, attractive trailers, and promotional images can influence players. The ultimate deciding factor is the quality of the gameplay and narrative. Therefore, begin by conceptualizing a basic gameplay framework in your mind. If the idea excites you, it is likely to engage players as well. Next, refine the gameplay mechanics in detail, establishing systems and interactions that maintain player engagement. A well-designed game avoids monotony by introducing fresh elements. For example, It Takes Two video game continuously involves its gameplay mechanics and camera perspectives, ensuring players remain intrigued by unexpected surprises in each level. This sense of anticipation encourages continued play, avoid or complicating the design process, and eliminates self-doubt. Creativity thrives on positivity and a playful mindset. A crucial aspect of gameplay design is the gimmick, a technique used to sustain player interest. I have elaborated on this concept in detail in the linked tutorial. The next step involves choosing a development tool or game engine. Opt for an engine that aligns with your comfort level and project requirements. However, many modern engines share similar capabilities. Realistic graphics, for instance, can be achieved in nearly any engine today. Programming language is another consideration. Most engines utilize C# or C++, and proficiency in these languages provides flexibility. Some engines like Unreal, which offers blueprint visual scripting alongside C++, or Godot, supporting GDScript and C#, provide additional options. Nevertheless, as previously emphasized, players prioritize engaging and innovative gameplay. Graphics and engine choice alone will not determine its success. For beginners, engines like Unity, Unreal, and Godot offer extensive resources and tutorials, but the choice ultimately depends on personal preference. A detailed comparison of these engines can be found in the tutorial here. Once your game is complete, you may seek a publisher or choose to self-publish and promote it independently, depending on the project's scale. However, a key recommendation for aspiring developers is to begin with a simple, enjoyable game. Pursuing hyper-realistic graphics can lead to excessive focus on details, sound effects, and visual effects, diverting attention from core gameplay. Many indie developers face budget and time constraints, making large-scale projects highly risky. Starting with a modest, fun game allows for quicker results, as asset creation such as models and animations is significantly faster and more manageable. Also, you can utilize AI to learn and debug your code if you want. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.